Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. I am in the process of replacing my seat, and so I need to code out the airbag. So I'm going to try to make a video on how to do that. Never done it before, but let's figure it out. All right, I got my launch. I got my little dongle. I got to plug this in the OBD2 port down here under the seat. In case you guys have never done this, there's a little purple connector right there. Just gonna slot him in. I'll give you a little beep. All right, I got my X431 Pro here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the ignition to the car on so that I can find this. We're gonna do a little intelligent diagnostics. All right, so it knows that I got a Porsche Cayman S. All right, we're gonna go into diagnostic. We're gonna go to manually select. All right, just gonna go into manually select my Cayman 987. Okay, system selection. We're gonna go to the PAW zip. That is the module info that we need. So right now we have all the lights on just because we are not started, but we see that there is a PSM failure. That's just because we disconnected the battery. So here we can read the fault codes, and we can see that the driver's thorax airbag is above the upper limit. So that is the one, the thorax airbag is the one that is in your seat. All right, so let's come to the code brush hiding and go to rule coding and vehicle coding. And we can see the driver's thorax airbag here now. It says not running. NE, not installed, maybe? And then we still want the other airbags on. Driver's side front airbag stage 1. Yes, we want all of our other airbags to still work. Pre-tensioner for passenger seat belts, vehicle coding, blah, blah, blah. Belt buckle for the driver. So I'm gonna set that to not installed either, since that is now disconnected with my new seat. All right, I think I can just do write code now. Let's see what happens. Coding was successful. So now I'm gonna go back to my fault codes. I'm gonna clear my fault codes. Let's read them. So I'm still getting that fault code. Well, let me turn this off. Turn it back on. My little air bag guys still on. Okay, let me go back to my coding. All right, it says NE still there. All right, driver's side thorax airbag. So here, I'll try to write code from here. Everything was complete. So I'm not sure what the difference is between these two screens. Let's see. Here's my driver belt buckle. All right, so that is set how I had it before. Let's write it from here as well, just for the heck of it. Now let's go back. Clear our fault codes. Read our fault codes. Oh, look at that. Okay, now my airbag is not coming back on. So very interesting. So there's two places on here under rule coding and this brush stuff. Two different places where you can set it. I don't know if I could only set it in this one and it would work, but we set it in both and now it seems to work. So I can fire up my car and make sure the airbag light does not come back on. All right, what the heck, here goes, let's try it. Yes, my front head is open. All right, I don't know how I missed recording this, but the airbag light did go off and go away, so we did successfully code it out. Hey guys, please give this video a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really does help. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody. See you on the next one.